Hello everyone, this is Priyanshu Sharma from St. Peter's Senior Secondary School and this is my presentation on Indian nuclear program.
India's three-stage nuclear power program was formulated by Homi Bhabha in 1950s to secure the country's long-term energy independence through the use of uranium and thorium reserves found in the monazite sands of coastal regions of South India. The ultimate focus of the program is on enabling the thorium reserves of India to be utilized in meeting the country's energy requirements. Thorium is particularly attractive for India as it has only around 1 to 2% of the global uranium reserves, but one of the largest shares of global thorium reserves at about 25% of the world's known thorium reserves. However, thorium is more difficult to use than uranium as a fuel because it requires breeding, and global uranium prices remain low enough that breeding is not cost effective. Till date, Government of India has set up many nuclear power plants in India. Some of the active power plants are located in Narora, Rajasthan, Karkarapar, Tarapur, Mumbai, Kaiga, Chennai and Kunnankulam, and some power plants are planned to be set up in Gorakhpur, Banswara, Chutka, Kovada and Jaitapur. India's Prime Minister Manmohan Singh stated in 2009 that the nation could generate up to 470 gigawatt of power by the year 2050 if it managed the three-stage power program well. He said this will sharply reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and will be a major contribution to the global efforts to combat climate change. According to the plan, 30% of the Indian electricity in 2050 will be generated from thorium-based reactors. Indian nuclear scientists estimated that the country could produce 500 gigawatt for at least 4 centuries using just the country's economically extractable thorium reserves. According to the chairman of Indian Atomic Energy Commission, Shri Kumar Banerjee, without the implementation of fast breeders, the presently available uranium reserves of 5.469 million tons can support 570 gigawatt till 2025. If the total identified and undiscovered uranium reserves of 16 million tons are brought online, the power availability can be extended till the end of the century. While calling for more research into thorium as an energy source and the country's indigenous three-stage program, he said, "The world always felt there would be a miracle. Unfortunately, we have not seen any miracle for the last 40 years. Unless we wake up, humans won't be able to exist beyond this century." Thank you.